packing up my tent and just standing, being with some aspens that have been with me by my tent throughout, and just, I don't know, feeling just that this has given me the time to just take the space which I really needed right now, to be able to connect to the things around me again, you know, and to feel them, and to just feel a sort of joy of being with them. And it's been just a wonderful group of people, just to see how everyone started to connect and started to collaborate and just build something wonderful together, and getting things done practically in the camp, and in being together and supporting each other, and just making connections and sort of building these links of support and understanding between each other.
So the community was quite...
Yeah, just building a community has been really fantastic, and that's really, it's felt wonderful. And also what's interesting about that too is I think there's an arena, that's an arena to work in too. We're not just, we're here in nature, but then we're learning things all the time from our interactions and our little community that we're creating. So everything's being played out, and we've, I think, well, I certainly have had to kind of question things in myself that come from, you know, my interaction with people too, and that's been great. But yeah, so overall it just allows a sort of mirror in all sorts of dimensions of your life.